Well, you know, yeah.
The setup crew belongs to a union, a very special union. They don't play in the wintertime. Okay, so we all like to have fun once in a while and break away from classical music. And so this Swedish composer is named Jerker Johansson. Check the spelling, and I'm glad it's pronounced Jerker rather than Jerker. But anyway, he's a mallet player. He's a percussionist mallet player. So he likes to write things to have fun when he's playing the xylophone. So this next piece, The Duck and the Woodpecker, I'm sorry I have to bring that subject up. I had this in the library for a long time and really wanted to do it, so you'll forgive us. I'm glad I didn't say anything to anybody because I didn't want the news out here. Although, maybe we're going to have to block this one out from the local cable vision. But anyway, this is The Duck and the Woodpecker. And it's performed by one person, the duck, and the woodpecker. And so we'd like to welcome a person actually who's new to the band. She didn't know she was going to get recruited for this. She's from Texas, but you know, people in Texas kind of think differently about some things. So we asked her, I'd like to get up front and do some things with this new band that she's playing in. So this is Kim Paternoster, and this is The Duck and the Woodpecker. Please welcome the duck and the woodpecker.
I thought you were out there shooting those woodpeckers.